Dubai is a city that has emerged as a cosmopolitan metropolis and has grown to become a global city and a business and cultural hub of the Middle East. Also, Dubai's economy was built on the oil industry. The economic model that drives its economy is the tourism. The city has become symbolic for its skyscrapers and high-rise buildings. Also has recently attracted world's attention through many innovative projects such as Dubai's rotating tower. In January 2008, the Dubai's government issued a requirement that all buildings in the city be constructed with environmentally friendly green building. It means the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of a building are altered in order to increase energy efficiency and reduce consumption of resources. Architect David Fisher is an Italian-Israeli architect based in Florence. He is known for designing the Dynamic Tower, a rotating skyscraper proposed for construction in Dubai. This skyscraper is built as the world's first building in motion. Fisher is the founder and chairman of the Dynamic Architecture Group. Concept: the world's first moving building, Dynamic Tower, a skyscraper with 80 independently rotating floors, is being planned for Dubai. The building includes such necessities as in-house parking, indoor swimming pools, voice control system, and an ever-changing view. The design incorporates a number of advanced environmental building principles. System: to make this possible, the vertical axis of the building will be of the form of a hollow cylinder, and in the center you will find all the amenities and common areas such as the emergency stairs and elevators. Each floor will rotate a complete revolution in 90 minutes that is slow enough to prevent people from falling. Besides, this skyscraper will produce energy for itself and even for other buildings because it will have wind turbines fitted between each rotating floor, so an 80-story building will have up to 79 wind turbines, making it a true green power plant and design sustainable.